Hello, happy family. Yes, adventurous family. How are you doing today? Welcome back to Mama Nigel's Kitchen, guys. Today, the star of the show is potatoes. Yes, I'm sure you've had potatoes different ways, but today we are taking it a new level. Hasselback potatoes. Hasselback potatoes, a potato that it is well seasoned with butter, garlic butter, herb, and it is cut into slits but not all the way. So to enable you cut those slits into it, I recommend that you place a skewer on your board while you are cutting those slits into it so it doesn't cut all the way through. Once you have done that, now proceed to melt your butter. I have melted 2.5 sticks of butter, onto which I'm going to be adding some basil, thyme, rosemary, and mix all of that up together. And I'm going to also add 1 teaspoon of garlic later. Okay, so first you want this potato to come out crispy, so you want to give it a thorough wash because you're going to need the skin with it. Wash it thoroughly, pat it dry, and then apply olive oil on the exterior surface, on the skin of the potato. Once you have done that, now proceed to use your seasoned butter, your garlic herb seasoned butter on the potato. That you really want to take your time with. Yes, I said taking your time with because you need to. You have to be patient here, guys, in order for you to get this right. Because you want every individual layers of that potato to be serenaded with that garlic herbed butter. The difference is clear when you finish cooking this Hasselback. Alright, move on with the process, guys, until every single piece of the potato is fully serenaded with this herbed garlic butter. I do have parchment paper on the bottom to help collect excess garlic butter, and now you want to transfer into the oven at 400 degrees for your first 20 minutes. After the first 20 minutes, remove from the oven and brush it again with your herbed seasoned garlic butter. Transfer back in the oven and let it cook for another 20 minutes. Isn't that just inviting? Guys, I can't say enough for these potatoes. It takes your potato to a different level, guys. I am telling you, you have to give it a try. The beauty in itself, just take a look at it, guys. It is just something classic to it. Look at those potato slices with the crispiness of the skin on top. You know, each sheet of the slice is just embellished with butter, the herbs, the garlic. OMG. The aroma in the air is so inviting. Guys, this you can serve as a side dish. In this case, we enjoy this with our steak dinner, and the recipe and the video for that steak dinner is going to be listed in the cards. So please check it out because it will be a very great combination meal dinner, you know, for you and your family. Look at that Hasselback potato, guys. You look at the top, you look at the sheets, it's just embellished with the herbs, the rosemary, the basil, the thyme, and the butter. Ooh, the crispiness of it. Oh, yum, yum, yum. In my very humble opinion, Hasselback potato takes the crown home. Yes, guys. Be sure to check me out in the next video. See you until then. Thank you. Obolu or Kimwefo. Bye bye.